Hello guys, in today's video I will be showing you how to like any comments on any video you want on your account on Rednote. So the answer is easy, just click on it, and as you see here you are on the explore page, and here you will find, for example, any video you want. Click on it, and now go to the icon of the comments. You will find it here. Click on it, and as you see here, any comment you like, you can just click on this heart right here. If you wanna unlike it, just click on it again, and that's it. So that's it for today's video. I hope this is the answer you've been looking for. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.